Hey y'all, it's Jessica. Happy Labor Day. No grilling for me today, but I definitely made a really quick taco salad. Let's put it together, shall we? I started off with some washed romaine, chopping it up nice and small so it's easier to eat in the salad. Y'all know I don't do the critters, so yes, I went in for a second wash with that lettuce after I had washed it already. Now time to assemble. I pre-made my meat and my rice. I didn't put that on camera, but y'all, this is just some of the boxed rice that you can get with a little season packet. Added some of that in, trying to go easy on the carb, but that rice is off the chain. And this is some ground turkey that I'm adding in. I put one of those taco packets in there. Then next, for a little healthy fat, some avocado. Bae got me some new knives. Bae got me some new knives, and these things are off the chisel. So cut that up a little bit, but I almost forgot my cheese. Supposed to be staying away from dairy, but I just couldn't help myself. So I added in a little sprinkle of cheese and then the avocado. And you all know how I feel. You have to season your salad. So adding in some cracked pepper and a little sprinkle of salt. I have no idea where my salt shaker is with this move, so I used that. Then I fried up one tortilla and I added that in. I love a crisp. I just gotta do a crisp. And then I went for a lime. You know, gotta roll the lime to get the juices. And I cut up a little small piece and I squeezed it on there. That acidity is amazing with that avocado. Definitely get the lime if you have one. And then last but not least, the taco sauce dressing. Y'all know what that is. You know what aisle it's in. But yeah, here's our finished product. It's so delicious, y'all, and super easy. So I just stole that fork and got to munching. Again, happy Labor Day. Y'all have a great day. See ya.